Hi, this is Lady Miss Tipsy. I just wanted to share with you guys my girls, the Brat dolls. I've gotten these as birthday gifts from dear friends and loved ones. I got this one from my hubby. He says I look like her. It's my little twin. There was a time I did. There was pictures that I had at 21 and I used to wear pigtails a lot. And so, yeah, I did. Here's a little baby one here. And these here I have out of the box because I displayed them around my music studio. This one moves. She dances with music. She's cute. And I also have some other dolls I've gotten within the years. Of course, Wonder Woman and Batgirl. And I even have like a Joker girl somewhere here. And I even have Alice in Wonderland. So here we are. I just wanted to share with you guys. I'm sorry, I'm a big kid. Alright then.